Hi. Today I set up Link Wi-Fi extender in access point mode. This is the default Wi-Fi password of Link. Follow the steps below. This is the dlink Wi-Fi extender. Connecting your dlink extender. Enter the Wi-Fi password found in the previous step. This is the IP address of the dlink. Open a web browser. http://linkapp.local. Close this Windows. Settings. Extender. Add wireless to your wired network. Existing network. Ethernet. You need give your extended Wi-Fi network a name and the password. Wi-Fi name settings. Set Wi-Fi password. Tap Save to save settings. Connect dlink to router using Ethernet cable. The setup is complete. Check the result. Enter the correct password. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.